Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a puddle pour today, and then I'm going to swipe it, but first I have a couple things to show you. If you missed this video, I made this Christmas ornament. I made a bunch of them, and I'm going to take it down to the gallery. We have a Christmas tree that we put up in November and sell ornaments. I got the idea from someone else, and I credited her on their video. I'll link it up above, but it's really cute, fun to do, made out of clothespins and paper napkins, so really easy, but I think it's darling. So there's that. Then I mentioned in that video that I had another one I was going to do. This one I got the idea from the Cozy Christmas Cottage, and I'll try to remember to link the video where she provides a link where you can print out these tags. Feathers appear when angels are near, and this is a glass ball, and all she did was put 2 feathers in and attach the tag, and that was it. I wanted to make it a little fancier, so I added some of that sparkly snow in there and several feathers because she had more fluffy, pretty feathers, but I had to put probably 8 or so of these little chicken feathers and fluff them out myself. So anyway, I think they came out, it's quite pretty. Simple as can be. And then I just attached it with the baker's twine. So, that's that. Now, today, let me set these aside. I don't want to get paint on them. Oh, and then I want to show you what I did with this swipe last video, I think. My last video. And I wasn't crazy about the swipe, but I knew it would make a good background, and so this is what I came up with. And this paint is already sold, and my husband was really mad at me that I sold it because I think he wanted to keep it. I mean, he was really mad. I don't even want to tell you how mad he was. So I haven't yet varnished it. I need to varnish it and mail it off, but I thought I would kind of duplicate it for him. Not exactly. I'm using a little different colors. This had some silver in it and a lighter blue. And this time I'm using similar but not quite the same. I've got, can you see the colors here? Uh-oh. That's Betty. She is reverse sneezing, I think they call that. I think when she eats too fast, she does that. Always something with these animals. This is light violet. This is white with a little bit of light violet added. This is metallic purple with black for a deep plum. White. This is white with a little bright blue in it. And my swipe color is black. I have extended these with the glue and Floetrol mix. I'll detail it down below. It's just because I like the appearance of the cells when I extend them like that. If you watched the last video with the swipe there, I'll show you an example of what it looks like when you don't dilute them, and I prefer this look. So, I think we're ready. Let's get to it. And I'll speed this part up. Okay. Now I've got the cat in here too. I never let the cat in, but the new cat is so pushy. I have nothing wet in here except this, and hopefully she won't jump up here. That will be interesting. All right. Oh my gosh. I think she's going to jump up here. I got to stop here and get her out of here. Leia, no. No, I'm sorry. You got to go. Say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Bye. Out you go. You came too close. She was on the windowsill and about to jump on the table, so I had to get her out of here. So I'm going to move this puddle pour around, cover all the canvas. Maybe I'll leave a little strip at the top, but I want to get a nice even coverage over the rest of it. Filling in all the gaps. Okay. Now, let's see. The black, I have added 2 drops of silicone. It's just over an ounce of paint. I probably only needed to add 1 drop, but I mixed 2 ounces of each of the colors, and I was thinking I had 2 ounces of black, but I didn't. So we should have a good amount of cells pop up here. Pour it all out. Maybe I'll scrape out what I have left. Okay, and now, time to swipe. Handy dandy plastic here. Making contact all the way across and bring it on down. Okay. Never looks like much at this point, but it will change dramatically. Go ahead and hit that with a torch. That torch is about out of juice. I gotta add some more. I'm about out of the butane as well. There we go. That's better. Now we're seeing some cells pop up. All right. Move stuff out of my way here. I think I'm done with all of these. Now I'm going to tilt to get rid of the black stripe and to make the cells grow. And there we go. This is the fun part. I don't mind having a dark area, but I don't want that big stripe of dark at that end there, so coming down, and then so that it's a black bird. It's a raven, but or crow, but it's got the feathers are almost iridescent. So I'll incorporate all these colors, the blues and purples, in them. Someone suggested, I think it was Carrie. Yes, it was. It was my friend Carrie suggested, you always see crows with berries or something in their mouth, and she suggested a golf tee for my husband. So I think that's a great idea. I'll probably do that. I did make canvas copies, small ones of that crow. I'm having them made, and they will be added to my website pretty soon if anybody's interested. Stay tuned for that. Just check back. Or when I get them, I'll show you, and then you'll know they're on the website. Okay. Let's see, I like to open up these cells here. Change up just this area here. The rest of it I'm pretty happy with. It's all going to change though when I try to work on that section, but that's the nature of the fluid beast, right? As you're tilting, you have to look at the whole thing and see what's happening other places, because sometimes you just have to stop. It looks like I ended up with pink. How that light violet is very pink when the white mixes with it. Oh well, it'll be okay. I don't think I'm able to open up that row dark there, but I don't think I want to mess with it too much more. Yeah, I think I'm happy. I'm not sure which orientation. Maybe that, the one you're seeing now. We shall see. Okay, let me bring you in for a closer look. Should I hit this with a torch right here and get some more little tiny cells there? That's cute. I like that. A negative space. Boop. Okay. Glove off. Okay, here we go. In for a closer look. I love these cells. I like it better in the background of that other one, I must say. It could be a standalone piece, but I will be painting another raven on here. Okay, there we go, my friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.